What's in the safe? What's in the safe?
Put it here. Let's come back. Huh? Let's come back.
Come back.
Okay.
Safe already. Then it's one thing.
Did you guys?
No.
It's safe.
Did you guys open
I
it?
thought you were gonna open it.
End of the flea market. Woke up a little late for a Tuesday. I thought I woke up at 5 a.m. I do this all the time. Comment below if you guys do this. I was up till 1 last night working on stuff. Like, set my alarm for 5. Woke up at 5. I'm laying in bed exhausted. I'm thinking, okay, I got 5 minutes to just sit here and wake up. You think you're 100% coherent. You think it's only 5 minutes. You wake up, it's time to go. It's 6:30. About a half hour, 40 minutes out because of traffic. But we gotta go pick. We gotta see if we can make some money. We gotta get the grind, the rhythm going. And we've made it here to sunny Oakland, California. Let's go picking here at this flea market. Let's see what we can find. Let's see what we can find. Oh, right, look. They got the little police robot there. Okay. Let's go picking. We need to make profit to make our trip worth it. We are at about a $15 to $17 gas. No, probably not. We're driving the hybrid today. Not to mention an hour of our time to get, actually over an hour because of traffic. Bob, what up? How you doing?
You're everywhere.
Yeah. Says I'm everywhere. I gotta make money. Not looking so far like junk. Let's go over here and hit this first row. Like, this is like everyday same stuff. Then we get into some, this row is where like it starts.
Okay, thank you.
They're all separate.
How much is this one?
The green one? 10.
No, this one here.
Oh, 30.
Thank you. This market is very much so a lot of the same stuff. That's really pretty cool, but not the coolest. Clothes heaven, man. Plants. Oh wow, they built the stage over here again, so that means less people sell over in this area now. That was a pretty hot place to sell for a minute back in the day. Wow, look at all these jewelries. Look at all these jewelries.
Nice piece, all piece.
That's what's very important is, I always say follow the crowd, right? Like, in most things in life, you go the opposite of the crowd. But here at the flea market, you gotta go kind of see what people are going hog wild in.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good.
What's going on?
Why are you recording?
Huh?
Why are you recording?
I make the videos. Goes on to YouTube.
What is the
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, so I make
story
the,
action.
yeah. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I wanna get it in.
much?
$100 for you.
Hey,
man,
what you doing here?
What's going on?
What you doing here? What are you doing here, Mikey?
Just walking around. What are you doing?
How much for the camera? Hey, estos son desarmados, vas a preguntar.
So far, this place is looking minuscule. Look, it's a pirate. That's kind of cool. Hamilton, bully, culprit. Wow. Beat it into you. How you doing? What are you up to?
Same old thing.
Yeah?
Still here.
Just walking around?
No, you know we still sell here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Still
I
over
seen you the
there?
other day, but I was busy.
When? Here?
Yeah, you were right here in the middle.
Oh, that was a minute ago. Yeah, like 2 months ago.
2 months ago, yeah.
Yeah, I don't really sell here too often.
Yeah, I know.
just
You got
figure
tired of it, huh?
I just figured I'd come out and say, see what's going on.
All right, bro, take care.
See you later. He used to sell here all the time.
$650.
Yeah.
$650.
Yes.
Oh man.
This is gold. That's what.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that gold?
Yeah, this gold.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
That's nice though.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I said, a lot of like picked through junk. It's really hard to do very well here. Really, really hard. It's a neat little painting. It's not a painting, it's a print. Okay, we got records, we got stuff all on the ground. We got stuff. Yeah, we got stuff. Danny, what up?
Hey Mike, long time no. Well, don't get me in trouble to someone. Hey Mike,
How you doing? You looking up?
Oh, this little Pocket Japanese computer.
That's a computer?
Yeah.
Looked like a calculator for a second there.
Well, maybe a calculator. You know, they used to call calculator computer.
I did not know that.
Hey.
What's in the safe? What's in the safe?
Put it here. Little come back. Huh? Little come back.
Come back.
Oh.
It's safe already. Then it's one in.
Did you guys?
No.
It's safe.
Did you guys open
I
it?
thought you were gonna open it.
No.
Well, there's money in
Remember,
there.
he tell you, remember?
Okay. I would have to open it just to make sure.
We're gonna auction. Danny, how much for LP? I don't know. That's
No,
all.
I was.
I would have bid. No, I'm just walking around. Superman. Okay. I think this guy was selling the other day in Concord. I saw all these similar things. That is a stop sign.
Hey, you're the man for the videos, no? YouTube, right? Yeah, I know you. Hey, you know what? I'm looking for the actions in person. Because
It's very hard because they don't do them very much.
oh no?
No, you go if you go online and just say like Google storage.
Which one is the best? Because I
There is no
right.
best.
No?
No.
Because you know what? The Lock Fox?
The what?
Lock Fox?
Locker box.
Lock Fox?
I don't use that. They have like the least amount of stuff.
Yeah.
Online, Storage Treasures has the most, and then storageauction.com, I think, which is this Dan Dotson owns. I think that's the name of it, or .net. But you're competing with everybody, and to go in person, it's similar. You got to go and hope to get lucky.
Yeah, but I mean, I see some videos like when you grab the storage, you have to open it up, you know, the lock, and the lock box always is open when you buy it.
Yeah, that's not good. They're supposed to take you to the office and pull the tag off,
Yeah.
right? That's Storage Treasures.
Yeah.
But if you just go on to type in on the Google storage auctions Bay Area, you'll see all the websites like Storage Auction Experts, NorCal Storage Auctions,
Sell storage. And
Award Auction, Sale Makers. That's the four.
you know
basically.
Manuel?
Who?
Manuel.
Yeah, comprando depositos
Yeah.
abandonados. Yeah, that's my good friend. Thank you. I appreciate you watching them. I try to be incognito, to be honest with you. I don't really. So far, I've had 2 people yell at me because they think I filmed them. And I don't. I don't even have my camera on when I walk by them just because I get tired of hearing that grief. And then there's that too, where the person just kind of wants to chit chat, which I appreciate, but it's like I also try to be a real low-key incognito. at the same time. Let's see what we got here. Just some older. I'm looking for different kind of cards in there. Huh. $3 for $1 padded envelopes. Those almost seem cool, but that's just on the fringe of being a good deal and being a deal I can get anywhere. So why do that? You gotta also think of it that way. We gotta find at least one thing to sell at this flea market. Did you buy anything yet?
Huh?
Did you buy anything yet?
Yeah. Shirts, I bought maybe. Did I go through shirts like crazy?
Man, I've had the same shirts for like 6 years now. And I've burned through. I'll wear some till it's ugly looking though. I'm not picky about clothes.
Some of this stuff has, see the PFG?
What's that mean?
It's this performance. It has like a UV protecting,
Oh,
so you don't get all
okay.
fucking burnt. And What's 15 times?
15 times 5?
Yeah.
75.
Is it? 15 times 5. God damn, your dad look at it, man.
It's like counting money.
How you do that? How you do that in your head?
25 is 100, so just subtract 5 is 25 is 75. That's how I did it in my head.
Oh, that's smart. I was a little slow in math in school, especially chemistry.
I sucked at school.
120. You got change, Mike?
Yeah. Count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you, sir.
I've been carrying this around for 3 weeks.
50. I should have gave her that.
No, it's fake. My uncle or my helper in Stockton took it and I didn't notice it for like 4 days. I'm at Safeway, keep sliding it in the damn self-checkout. It's freaking fake. I couldn't figure it out like 5 times. I'm like, this thing is crispy. Why are they not?
Damn, that looks hella good. The paper, you can feel it in the paper though, huh?
I did not know until the machine was like, it kept spitting out. I'm looking at my girlfriend, I'm like, am I stupid? Like, what's going on? I'm like, wait a minute, this is not real. So now I carry it around as like a constant reminder.
Damn.
All right, we've been here walking around and I have found nothing to buy. Literally my hands are empty. I at least want to spend $1 and make 2 or something, you know? Let's go see what we can do. Nice things. All this fine jewelry, but literally can find nothing to buy. Like it's a cold world. Everywhere you walk in this business is a hustle. That's why a lot of people run it the way they do, because...
Morning.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Long time no see.
Yeah, here. This is what you need.
What?
What you need?
Oh no, those are not good.
Oh, you're a blogger now?
I've been one.
Here.
I've been one since the...
This is a good one. There's a Filipino. It's
You don't remember when I used to sell here all the time?
yeah.
That's what I always do. I don't go around town and everybody, hey, watch my videos. Maybe you be in one. Maybe you find yourself from years ago. What's that?
One blanc.
Silver?
Yeah, and gold too.
Nice. Who makes it?
Mont Blanc.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
See the sign?
Yeah, how much is that?
I'll go 350.
I have to look that up.
Yeah, they go for 1,000 now.
What's it called?
Mont Blanc fountain pen with
Mont Blanc 0.925 pen.
How much are these little guys?
I go 15 each. And I think 15 each. That's a nice one. That's the nicest one. Hiroshima.
Interesting.
How about you leave me for all?
Let me see if I can make some money. If I can make some money, I'll make you an offer. If I can't, I'm gonna walk away.
Yeah, no problem. I know.
What's up, Mike?
What's going on?
Brother.
Chilling.
Are you selling today or?
No, I'll have to look it up and try to find it. Yeah,
You selling anymore?
I do. I just don't come here.
Oh, where you come?
Stockton.
Oh, much better than.
Well, it's okay. Like nicer stuff is a little tougher sale, but the 95% of the crap you have, that's the part you got to get rid of.
Yeah.
That's easier to sell there. So, how you doing today?
So far so good, man. How are you?
Just chilling, walking around.
What are you interested in mostly?
Me, not much.
Not much. Just depends, huh?
It just depends. Like, you see, I just look for little. I look to make money, so it doesn't matter. Like,
You're one of the gold coins, aren't you?
mm-hmm. And I bought some coins. No, I bought the belt off you last week. Remember the little one made of a belt?
It's got a $5 gold in it.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
How much is that?
$5.50.
All right.
I wanted 6. They're going for 6 and above. You know.
I'll think about it.
I have a big 18 karat necklace that I want 45 a gram for it. And it has it weighs about 50 something grams.
Oh, wow. None of the scrappers here will give you 45 a gram?
I'm not trying to scrap them.
No, I'm talking about on the
yeah.
45 a gram is just about scrap on 18 though. It's not much different.
54 grams.
Wow.
I had 2 of those. I traded in for some bracelets and things. Got a Carson City here.
And how much is this? 50 grams?
45 a gram.
No, I'm saying there's 50 grams there.
Yep, 54.
All right. I'm gonna show somebody this who might be interested in it. All right, I'm gonna send somebody a photo of that and see what they say. Thank you. Chang, what up? Say hello.
Hello. Good lucky.
You watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Facebook?
Yeah. Hey, this.
Kate, you don't have the something inside, no? Full lot. Oh,
What? That's not good?
no. Let me see. One more time.
What, Chang?
You think everything?
I don't even want to show you again after the last one. 15.
Oh, $10.
10?
No, 10.
I told him 15.
15, that's so good deal. Good deal, baby. All the you want to look more, that's why they need
I need a 5.
5. Okay.
You got all that money. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Here.
Keep on.
Here. Look.
Yeah, you look good now. Right now you want to go to you lazy. You want to go to you lazy. You understand? That's why the card say, Will?
Kinda.
Okay, let me find out. Woo! Make me easy. 15. Yes, still good. All the monk cover you.
You said 15, Tang? Yeah, 15. Kinsey. I'm gonna go home before I get mad.
I think okay.
Yeah.
The monk, you go everywhere, the monk cover. That's right.
You have a good day.
You too, honey.
Well, it looks like we're going home empty-handed. I've walked this market a handful of times. You got to get here early. I was a little late, but it just is what it is. Just had like an altercation with somebody who tries to be a bully. My camera wasn't rolling. We did not catch it, but the person tried to basically threaten my life. You've seen him on videos a while back. He caused a problem with Locker Nuts and his wife, and we kind of intervened, Uncle Michael and I. He ended up with a slight second on my video, and the guy tried to just threaten me. He's gonna send people after me, blah blah blah. If I had $1 for every time somebody threatened my life for me minding my business and just doing what I do, I wouldn't have to do this no more.